Hi guys, and today you guys might recognize who I am. I died, and I do not know what they're doing. If you could see them. That's how cold. Isn't it beautiful outside? That's the swing sets. Let me get a close-up view. And no, that looks like snow, but it's not. Good look. Wearing flip-flops. That's the tree I'm going to get my tree house in. Ew. That's disgusting. Sweet corn. That's just a little tiny piece of cement. You're not allowed to show the house. Oh. I like looking at the ground. That's just a couch. Back on the helmet. Basketballs. Look, you can see my feet. I zoomed in. What happened to Fat Boy? Oh. It looks so cool when it's zoomed in. It looks like I'm closer to the trees and closer to corn. Closer to the corn. Look at my feet. They're so big. Okay. Let's see. We have to be good spirals. These are just my feet, I guess. It looks like we're getting so close to the tree, but it's so far away. It's so close. It's so far away. So close. So close. Let's look at the sunsets. They look like it looks like we're almost there, but we're not. Normal view and normal view. That tree. If you know Okay, let me. If you know if that stuff is, please mind me, tell me, because I don't know if it is, because I've touched it before and nothing happened. Look at the beautiful corn. Okay, I'm going to do the normal view. Okay, you guys cannot see this. Okay, you guys cannot see my house. So I put my pinky in the way. Well, not my pinky. It's my finger. No, it's my pinky. What in the water? Just kidding. Oh. Hey, bye guys.